Hi, my vixens. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Valerie, and this is my little... Sorry, look how she's sitting. My little co-host is Violet. She's my sweetie, yes. Okay, sorry. That just tickled me when I glanced over and seen her just kind of lounging there. My sweet girl. My sweet baby, yes. Okay, guys, so... Sorry about that. That kind of threw me. All right, so today, guys, we are talking about Scentsy's Easter Collection 2022 release, which will be coming out on Monday, March 7th at 9:30 to 10:30 Pacific time. And from what I understand, that they actually have like a quote on the website. So if you can't get into it right away, you might want to keep trying. But the reason they do that, because they allow only so many people in to shop at a time, so it doesn't crash the site, and that there's further bigger problems. So I guess it's really busy when there's collections that are released. I don't know. This is my first release of collection. So they are releasing the Easter, and they're also releasing the Dumbo on the same day, or re-releasing Dumbo collection. I don't have much information about the Dumbo collection to talk about, but I will post pictures at the end of this video of both collections, all right? So I want you guys to be able to get in all of it. Another thing I'd like to talk to you guys about is that they are having a lot of clearance sales right now. So when you go on the site, go up to the menu button. It's in the left upper corner, and it'll say menu. Click that menu button and then scroll down to clearance. Click clearance, and it'll take you into the clearance section. So you can get some really good deals. They still have quite a bit of stuff in there too. So check that out. Also, when you go in to do the Easter collection, that's what you're looking for, click the same menu button, scroll down to collections, and it should take you there. I'm not sure about Dumbo. It might be under a license collection, or it may have its own collection listed there. But there's a list of the way you can look at a lot of different things and shop. You can shop by fragrance, you can shop by a product. So there's a lot of different ways, by collections, by licensed, and there's a lot of different ways that you can shop on there. So just check that out. Another thing I want to mention to you guys is that they do offer a free newsletter every month. Or we do offer a free newsletter every month, because I am part of Scentsy now. I forgot to say, I'm Valerie. I am a independent Scentsy consultant. I'm your independent Scentsy consultant. So, anyway, so we offer a free newsletter, and I have input. I can go in and input personal things that are not personal, but things that are more for our group or for my customers. I can input in on that newsletter, which I think is really cool. So when you get on the site, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, and it'll have newsletter sign up, and just type in your email, press subscribe, and then you will start getting the newsletter. And it is free, so make sure you guys do that. So that you are notified of all the good deals and everything, in case I miss something, because I'm just new starting out, and I'm going to try to really stay on top of it, but I don't know how. I mean, if they're releasing new stuff right and left all the time, it might be a little bit more difficult for me to get used to. All right, so give me some time. All right, guys, so today we're going to talk about the Easter collection. So it's, excuse me. So the first item they have available is the Brighten My Daisy mini warmer, and they are bundling that this year. They're bundling this. I don't think they've bundled this before. I'm not sure. So anyway, it is a 15-watt light, and it's going to come with 3 bulbs instead of 1. So you're going to get the mini warmer. You're going to get 3 15-watt bulbs. One will be clear, one will be purple, and one will be blue. All for $25. And normally the warmer with the 1 one bulb is $25. So you're getting a little bang for your buck going that way. And it's a cute warmer. It really is. Another thing about the mini warmers, they like plug into the wall. So if you want them to be a table for like tabletop, you can buy the bottoms, you know, the mechanisms to sit on the table and plug in. And then you can use it both ways. You can use it for the wall or the table, which I think is really kind of neat. I really like that. I think it's an innovative idea. Also, the plugins for the wall, they move. So like if your plug-in is like sideways or upside down, you can move that to where it'll fit properly, which is, I think, another cool idea. Because we all have, you know, sometimes we live in older homes or newer homes and things are different, things have changed, and it's kind of, I like that. I like that they thought that through. So let's move on, guys. So they also are offering the rosemary and Bailey bunny clips for $18. And the bunny clips are like these bunnies, and they have a clip and they smell good. And I think you can change the scents in them and so forth. You can put them on diaper bags. You can put them in your closets. You can put them on your cars, on your purses or bags. You know, take them with you, leave them at home, whatever. I think that's kind of really cool. And they are really, really cute. They really are. You guys will see some pictures at the end of this video with that. Also, they are also offering Scentsy Bitty Buddies, and there is a bunny, there's a chick, and there's a lamb. Those are $12, and they're just like squishy balls. They're kind of like stress balls but they're not like hard, they're squishy, that smell good. Okay, so that's what I heard that they are anyway. So moving on, they have some new scents for Easter. They have a 3-pack of bars that have 3 different scents. Now, you can only purchase them as a 3-pack unless you add them into your Scentsy Club. And then you can purchase them individually. So, Scentsy Club has a lot of great benefits, so check into that, guys. I'm going to do a video strictly on Scentsy Club and what it is and what your benefits are, and I'm going to go into great detail for that. So stay tuned and, you know, keep your eye out for that. All right, so, and those are this is $17 for the pack, 3-pack. And the scents are Blueberry Burst, which smells like juicy blueberry and black raspberry, sweetened with caramelized sugar. Sounds good to me. And I heard that there's not many blueberry scents that Scentsy brings out, so it might be one you want to try out if you like blueberry. I like blueberry. I'm going to be getting these, that's for sure. The next scent is Lemon Drizzle Cake. That sounds good too. I love the sweet, sweet stuff. That has lilac sugar and vanilla icing that drizzle. It'll add sweetness to the lemon butter cake. That sounds good. That sounds amazing. And I don't know why, but sugared lemon is something I have been really into lately. I just love that scent. So yeah, still gonna be getting this one. And then the third scent is Raspberry Lollipop, which has raspberry puree, which brings a tangy twist to crystallized sugar and vanilla extract. That sounds yummy as well. So that's the 3 new scents that will be coming out for the Easter collection. I think they're new. I believe they're new. I'm not sure. Maybe they're not. So correct me if I'm wrong. So that's pretty much all the... Oh, and I almost forgot. They all are also offering the Blueberry Burst, the Lemon Drizzle Cake, and the Raspberry Lollipop in the Scentsy Pods. And those are $10 a piece. And so, yeah, check all that stuff out, guys. Once again, this Easter collection and the Dumbo re-release will be happening on Monday, March 7th from 9:30 to 10:30 Pacific time. And so mark your calendars and set your alarm clocks and get on and get what you want. If you guys need help with any type of ordering, let me know. I'm going to also put my email in the description box and in the comments for you guys. So you always are more than welcome to email me if you have any questions or concerns, or you just need help with something. I'm more than happy to help you. I can also order things for you. If you don't want to do it yourself online, I can do it for you. So that's another option for you as well. And I'm going to put the link down in the description box and in the comments as well for my launch event that's going on right now. And you can order any of these items on that page as well, on that there in that area as well. So check all that out. There's a lot going on. There's a lot of fun stuff, a lot of great stuff too. So I can't wait. I'm gonna start putting together what I want for this new launch because I think it's gonna be really neat, and I'm really excited. And I want to let you guys know. Yesterday I joined at midnight. Thursday night midnight. No, actually it was Friday morning at midnight. 12. It was after 12 Friday morning that I joined Scentsy. And I got my kit today. Oh my gosh, it was like a little over 24 hours when I got my kit. I couldn't believe it came. So I'm going to be unboxing that, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing video, so watch out for that, guys, as well. And keep an eye out on the community tab for new things, upcoming things, because I'm going to be posting some stuff in there too. So I'm going to get off of here. I'm not going to come back on. I'm just going to show you the pictures of some of these items that are going to be available on Monday, March 7th. They are on the website now. If you want to go look at them now, and it has the pricing and the scent notes and all that stuff that's listed there. It just says coming soon, and I don't think you're not able to order it till Monday. All right, so with that being said, I'm going to get off here. You guys have a wonderful weekend. I love you guys so much, and you take care. Okay, bye-bye.